Girlfriend, this is a hot mess. I have flakes on flakes on flakes. My scalp is usually not like this, but I had an allergic reaction, and it all started off with wearing a synthetic wig, which, if you've got sensitive skin, don't do it. I'm going to go ahead and remove my wedding band. I'm also going to get this together, taking off that satin line scrunchie to release the curls, release the fro, and just kind of massaging my scalp to see what it is we're working with, which, as you can see, is definitely a hot mess. So, yeah. I'm going to go in with my spray bottle first. I like to hydrate my strands before I apply any product to it. It just gets the curls nice and pliable and in a perfect state to really receive that product. I'm going to go ahead and section it on off into 2 sections. I'm really happy with the bounce of my hair. Despite the scalp situation going on right now, my hair is actually really healthy. So that's fantastic. I did lose some edges, unfortunately. As you can see, I'm going in with the Rice Water Collection Split and Therapy. I've been using this stuff for years, and truth be told, I really like it. I've got a lot in my stash right now, so I'm just going to use it on up. It has a very runny consistency. We're going to go ahead and just apply that to the strands, especially on the ends, because that is where most of the breakage happens first. Your strands break off from the ends, which prevents you from being able to see the length retention, which then we turn around and say, hey, my hair's not growing. Girlfriend, if you're interested in any of the products that I'm using, I'm going to go ahead and leave links in the description box down below. So definitely check that on out. I'll be sure to leave the cheapest link I can find because times are rough, man. We need to save money wherever we can. With that spray bottle, I am going ahead and spraying the ends again. I find that my ends tend to dry out the most. Are you like that, girlfriend, where your ends dry out? Let me know that in the comment section down below too, because sometimes I'd be wondering if like my fine natural hair has a personality of her own. You know what I mean? So there's another shot of the Maya Rice Water Collection. I really like the construction of this bottle. The packaging has a very luxe feel to it, and it's just a nice product to use. I don't know, have you used that before? I don't know if this is a popular product, but I use it quite often. I find it keeps my ends intact. So I can tell that my curls are doing really well. That bounce back is fantastic. I'm not seeing any unnecessary breakage. In terms of my pre-poo, I'm going in with the Negus Banda Shebe pre-poo treatment. And this stuff, girlfriend, I've been going through it. I've used so much of it. I think I'm in a good position to tell you just how well this stuff works. The main ingredients in this are Shebe, olive oil, and honey. Shebe powder being the #1 ingredient, and this is a stellar product from Negus Banda. I really like it. I love the consistency. It's got kind of like a tacky consistency, like it's not runny at all, but at the same time it's thin enough to kind of penetrate my fine strands. I do concentrate that product on my ends, especially before I go ahead and split my hair on up, because I want to give my strands as much protection by way of product before I go in and manipulate it. Girlfriend, if you've been watching any of our Fine Natural Hair Rocks live stream videos whereby we, chat about the best fine natural hair tips and tricks for length retention and optimal health, you'll know that I'm a really big proponent of using products with slip. This product from Negus Banda, it has a ton of slip. It's fantastic. I really do enjoy it. And yeah, to me, it delivers. It really does. Girlfriend, what pre-poo are you using on your fine natural strands right now? Are you using a cream-based pre-poo or are you using a gel pre-poo? Let me know in the comment section. I'm just jamming out to some music because, hey, what's a spa day without some good music? I love to play soca. I love to play reggae, dancehall, definitely Afrobeats. I love me some Burna Boy. I am a huge Burna Boy fan. So there you go. You can see I've used the majority of it. We're probably going to get through this in this particular application of it. So chances are likely I'm going to have to go in with another pre-poo, which is a-okay because, they're working. I love how this product is making my hair look. My hair is shiny. My curls are popping. What more could you ask for in a product? Like, really? Now that one's finished, I'm just clipping it on up, and I'm going to continue the exact same steps on the next set of hair again. So the next segment, the next section. Where are my words? I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly detangle. That looks super rough on camera. I promise you it was not. I did finish off this product, this particular pre-poo on my fine natural strands. At this point, my hair was starting to dry out. So girlfriend, I'm always telling you, I'm always preaching here on Fine Natural Hair Rocks that you want to make sure rehydrate your strands. So always be touching your hair. If your hair feels like it's drying out, you feel like maybe you could do with a little bit more slip, that's an indication to maybe add some water to your application process so that you can really get the product to work through your strands in a more effective manner. I'm getting all of it. These products are not cheap, so I'm definitely getting as much as I can. I did purchase these Negasponda products with my own money. None of the products used in this video have been sponsored. They've all been used with my own hard-earned cash. So you already know this is real. There's the last bit, and she's going in. She's going all the way in. Yes. And I'm still getting the last of it, because, I mean, why not? It's funny, I'm looking back at this, like, editing the videos, looking back at this, and I'm like, girl, it's done. It's done. Finish with it. So we're just going to go ahead. We're going to twist that back on up. Girlfriend, when you apply your products to your hair during wash day, what do? Do you twist your hair? Do you roll it on itself the way I do? What's your process like? Share it with me. So I'm going in with the Ayurvedic Essence Thickness and Growth Pre-Poo from Negasponda. This is a really nice one as well. It smells pretty earthy, which makes sense because this is an Ayurvedic powder blend, so it is going to smell very earthy. It doesn't smell earthy in a bad way. I actually quite enjoy earthy scents, so I'm okay with it. But if you are one of those naturals, you're one of those people who don't like the scent of earthy, aromas, then you might not like it. But I love the scent of grasses. I love the scent of anything that's natural and from earth. That's a good scent to me. It just, to me, smells like purity. So I'm just going ahead doing the exact same thing, hydrating the strands. In that water bottle is a little bit of aloe vera juice just to up the ante on hydration. So if you do add aloe vera juice to your water blends, it really will help to add even more hydration to your strands. This wash day, my strands felt very dry. My scalp, as you saw, was extremely dry. And so I felt that I needed some aloe vera juice to really, respond to that. And as you can see, like a lot of the flakes are gone just with the water process alone. It's kind of hard to tell with the product on top of it as well. But I can tell you, like even in real time, like I felt that the aloe vera juice was really hydrating that dry situation that was going on my scalp and really helping the products to do what they do best. There's a little bit of a dry piece there. I'm just going to go ahead and add some more product to that, as well as to the middle of my head. Sometimes I do have what I feel like looks like it could be a little bit longer, stronger there. I'm going to go ahead now that it's all done and place my plastic cap on my strands. This wash day, I wanted to make sure get as much hydration as possible. So I kind of placed that on my hair for a bit and just sat in it for like maybe a good hour, 2 hours. I don't know, something. All right, welcome back to my shower. We haven't been here in a while. I'm just going ahead and rinsing that product on out. The rinsing situation is pretty good. Like, you know how sometimes you apply like a super Ayurvedic product to your strands and it's hard to wash out? That's not the case with these products from Negasponda. It really does come out of the hair quite nicely. I'm going in with my As I Am shampoo for my dry and itchy scalp situation. This has the Perithione zinc in it. So like I was talking about in our last long form video, this is what's really helping me deal with the dry, itchy scalp situation because I can't be walking around like that, girlfriend. Like that's just a no, right? So this is the one thing that has actually been working for me. I like the sudsiness. I like the fact that it's gentle on my fine natural strands. I don't feel like I'm getting any breakage by using this quite often, which is all wins and pluses in my book. I love how that is just, sitting on my strands. My hair looks amazing. So after I rinse that out, I'm back, and now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the deep conditioner. If you want to see part 2 of this wash day tutorial, then definitely let me know, and I'll be sure to post that for you, girlfriend. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Also, subscribe to Find Natural Hair Rocks if you haven't subscribed already, so that you never ever miss another video. If you want to catch me live stream, I go live every Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so hopefully we'll get to connect in real time then. See you in the next video. Bye!